Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up and trying on the very first BOXYCHARM of the year. So if you're interested in seeing everything that I got as well as seeing me apply them, then keep watching. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's get into it. If you aren't familiar with BOXYCHARM, it is a subscription box that you can get every month. It retails for $21 and there are 5 full-size products inside. And yeah, I do this every month, so I will link my last month's video down below as well as BOXYCHARM's website in case you are interested in checking it out for yourself. So let's hop into doing my makeup and seeing what I got. Okay, so this is the box. It says Boxy and Chill, and then it has all the products and the prices and details and stuff on the other side. And then the first thing I'm going to pull out of the box is this. It is from Tarte. As you can see, I have a lot of my makeup done, but I looked at the box and didn't apply the products that are in here. So this is from Tarte. It is the Rainforest of the Sea Sizzle eyeshadow palette. I actually only have one product from their Rainforest of the Sea collection, and it's a lipstick, which I really love that formula. This is the palette. It's like the most shimmery thing you've ever seen. And then on the inside, it has a nice size mirror and 8 eyeshadows. The colors are really pretty. Okay, I'm just going to speed this up and I'll point to the shades that I use because you guys don't need me to talk through all of this. Maybe I'll do swatches at the end so you can see swatches of every color so that you can kind of have an idea of it. But let's hop into a little eye look. Here are all of the swatches from the eyeshadow palette. I think they are stunning. I realized before I started my eyeshadow look that I didn't tell you guys how much this retails for, and it does retail for $36. Okay, the next item in the box is from Wander Beauty. This is the Volume and Curl Mascara. I've actually gotten this in a box before, so I'm going to use this one. I actually decluttered it and I hadn't gotten rid of it yet. So I just happen to still have it in my collection. So I'm gonna keep this one closed and pass it on to somebody while it's still sanitary. So I'm going to curl my lashes and then use this. And this retails for $24. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is just not my favorite mascara. I don't feel like it really like volumizes or lengthens my lashes. It's just kind of like an mascara for me. All right, moving on in the box. The next thing is from Bite. This is one of their Amuse Bouche lipsticks, and I have quite a few colors of these actually. This one is in the shade Spritzer. I love their packaging. It's like that soft touch matte black. And this is the color. I feel like you guys, if you've been watching me for a while, are just like laughing because you know this is not my normal color. I can't decide if I want to actually put this on or not because if somebody else would wear this, I want them to get the use out of it, but I also want to be able to test these things out for you guys. But I do have this lipstick in another shade, so I'm like, maybe I should just, I don't know, put that shade on. Okay, whatever, we're just gonna go for it because that's what we're here for anyway. So Okay. So this is obviously not a color that I would wear normally. The formula of these is outstanding. I absolutely love it. So that is amazing, but I feel like every time I get a lipstick in this box, it's just not a wearable color for me. I am not wearing this purple shade out into the world. So if you are and you can rock it, all the power to you. I think everyone has different styles. This is just not something that I could wear. I guess on the upside it matches my sweater. I don't know. But I'm going to put a gloss over it just so that it's a little bit more wearable for me. Okay, it's still pretty purpley, but whatever. So these retail for $26. If you guys have not tried out this formula, I highly, highly recommend it. They have so many colors. Like there's definitely a color for you in their collection that it's just so comfortable and beautiful and pigmented, and all the good things about lipstick are in this. Okay, moving on this is from Briogeo. This is the Don't Despair Repair Leave-In Conditioner. This retails for $16, and it is a strength and moisture leave-in mask. Briogeo is an amazing hair care brand, so this is cool that it did come in here. I will try this. I don't usually use the masks that come in the big tubs because they're just too thick for me, but this is in a spray, so I'm wondering if this will be a little bit lighter weight. So I will definitely try this out. I'm sure you guys will hear about it in like a future video of some sort. And then last but not least is from Tatcha, which is amazing. There's two of these masks. It is the Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and there are two of them. So these retail for $24, and it is a nourishing mask. So I am so excited to try these. Tatcha is a very luxurious brand. I've only tried their primer. I haven't tried anything else from them, which I am dying to try all of their skincare. The packaging is just so beautiful. So I'm super excited to try these out. Altogether, the products in this month's box retail for $126, and you can get the box for $21 a month, which I will leave it down below as I always do. So I'm just gonna run through the products really quickly and let you guys know my thoughts. The palette is really pretty. I did think that it was a little bit harder to blend than I was expecting for Tarte shadows. I don't think this is a palette that you would want to necessarily like travel with or anything like that, because most of the shades are shimmery, glittery. There's just not, I don't know, there's just not a lot that I think that you can do with this because of the color range and the fact that the finish of them is very shimmery. So I wouldn't be able to get like a complete look out of this for multiple days in a row with this palette, but I do think that it's really pretty. The Wander Beauty mascara is a pass for me. I've had it before. I don't want it again. Hopefully they won't include it again. The Bite lipstick, this color is a pass, but the formula is outstanding. The Briogeo, I'm excited to try this since it is a little bit of a lighter weight formula, and Briogeo is an amazing brand. And then the Tatcha face masks, I'm really, really excited about. So overall, I feel like this was a decent box, like definitely not my favorite, but I feel like this is the first palette that I'm even slightly okay with, so like that's an improvement. I don't know. Let me know down below, did you guys get the box? Are you impressed with it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? What'd you get in it? Did you get the same things I got? Let me know all the things down below. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.